What up? What up? What up, guys? Hey, Wit. We're back for another Shark Frenzy update. We got Bobby and we got Zach on the line. I'm so excited to see what Zach's been working on. You know, since we last met and talked about this, guys, he's been working on some sensors and the adapters and stuff to get things in the water. Because pretty soon we're gonna be putting this thing in the water. Can you believe that?
I cannot wait to see where this goes.
I know, right? I mean, it's so interesting. And we're so excited to take you guys on this adventure. Are y'all ready to dive down the rabbit hole, guys? You gonna come with us? All right, let's go to the Zoom call. Bobby, are you on the line there, big Bobby?
I sure am. Hey, how's it going, guys? Good to see you.
Man, we're doing great, man. We're excited. So we also got Zach on the line. Zach, are you there? All the way in Colorado? Say hi, Zach.
Yeah, I'm here. What's up, Ernie? Whitney, how you guys doing?
Zach, the mad scientist is back. There he is, my man. My man. All right, guys. So Whitney and I, we're so excited to hear what you guys have been working on. So Bobby, let's go to you first, man, because you're here in Florida. You're gonna be the one working with Shane to get this thing tested in the waters here with the sharks. So give us a little update. What's going on with Shane? I know he's not able to be with us today.
Yeah, Shane, last time I heard, Shane was on his way out of the country to study some tribal people.
Yes. He's on one of his adventures on a documentary. How cool is that? I know he'll be back soon, and hopefully when he gets back, we'll have something really cool to put in the water.
Absolutely. I'm sure he'll learn a lot.
Yeah, definitely. So Bobby, tell us, you know, where are we at right now? I mean, with what's going on and you know, what's going on?
Well, I've been working with Zach. He's moving along pretty quick when it comes to the first version of this equipment. It's kind of hard to keep up with. He's moving so fast. I'm not the expert on this, and he's on the line, and I'm sure that he could explain how far along that he's come.
Right. Yeah, I know, you know, until we really get the equipment out here to get it in the water for you and Shane to test it. I know you're probably as anxious to hear what Zach's got to say as we are. So let's just do it, right? Wait, go to Zach. Zach, you the man. You're up on deck, baby. Talk to me, baby. What you got for me? What you got?
What's up, Ernie? So basically, we got our frame that we're putting together. We've got this is a whole bunch of stuff that we're putting together here to make the final unit. So basically, I started with a couple of different versions of the op-amp sensor board to amplify the signal coming out of the hydrophone.
Yeah.
Had some problems with these circuits, not sure exactly what's going on with them, but I did find a working solution. This is basically a piezo microphone preamp. So this works really well.
Piezo microphone preamp.
Above my IQ.
We got one though. We got a piezo microphone preamp. What the heck? So basically, you've been going through a little trial and error with the sensors and with the components, trying to get the right thing that's going to work right to be able to collect the data you need underwater, right?
Yeah, it's always a challenge to build a new product. You can start somewhere, find problems, figure out solutions to the problems, move to the next problem. And that's pretty much anywhere in the world, anything you're designing. Same for our extractors, same for anything else. Absolutely. So it's you know what you got for a good baseline, and then you run into problems no matter what. So then you figure out how to solve them.
So basically, Zach, just to kind of recap what you were just showing us, the housing was the first thing you showed us. So that's basically going to house the components you have that's going to attach to Shane's camera that he drops down into the water. And then those other components and sensors, that's basically the hydrophone components. Is that what that is?
Pretty much. This is the actual hydrophone itself.
Oh, wow.
It's a piezo ceramic cylinder. I have 3 of them. They're all the same capacitance roughly. So when you go to use the resonant circuit to drive them, because we can drive them in both transmit and receive mode. Right. So we'll be able to transmit into the water as a sonar, as well as receive pretty much any frequency up to like almost a megahertz, I think.
I love it.
Underwater.
I love it. I
So
love it. So
basically,
basically,
this piezo gets a sound amplification cone. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's kind of hollowed out in the core there. That goes inside the core of it. This goes inside all three of these ports.
right?
And then I have basically a triangulation based system now to where I can triangulate where the sound came from using the input from the three systems.
Wow. So it
Wow.
triangulates, which means you can pinpoint exactly where it is. So that's like a very important step. Wow, that's
Another aspect to that is in the very bottom here, there's a square. Also, that's where we'll hook up the camera connection. But the square holds a gyro and accelerometer, so it'll know what its pitch and roll angles are. So it'll also know if it's looking up, looking down, and you have the camera video also there with the data set. So the camera will be hard mounted to the bottom of it. So at any angle it tilts, the camera sees this, knows what that angle is.
Wow, that's cool. So it all moves in unison by putting it that way. That's great. That's killer. Wow, that's so interesting. And you know, it's neat. If you've seen recently, Shane's been posting a lot of his bridge camera drops, and it's really so interesting, like the Destin Bridge, how much fish and sea life is there. So truly, once we start testing the equipment, it's going to be, I don't think we'll have any problem finding some species to test around here. There's plenty of fish, right?
Lots.
Absolutely.
Lots of fish. And so basically we're getting pretty close, you think. Soon we'll be able to put this stuff together, drop it in the water, and run the signals up top and see what we collect. And we're on our way, man. I'm so excited. What do you think, Wade?
I'm ready.
So you must be ready, huh, Zach?
Oh yeah, I'm super excited.
Ooh, what about
I'm
you, Bobby? You
making-
get fired up over there or what?
What's up, man? I'm ready. I'm ready to get out there and collect some data.
Dude, I'm telling you, I mean, we're really at that point, Whitney. I mean, we're almost there, Zach. I'm so excited about your progress. I know that you're going to be out here. We're planning on sometime in October. So, you know, if we can get the equipment here to start testing now to make sure everything's up, by the time you get here in October, we could really go on an adventure and find some sharks and spend some time and get it done. This is revolutionary, guys. I'm so excited. What do you think, Whit?
Pretty amazing.
It is amazing. I know, it's crazy. Well, guys, you know, thank you for your time today. We'll keep you guys updated on what we got going on down here. Zach, keep us updated where you are, and as soon as you get it to us, the sooner we can get it wet, baby. You ready, guys?
Absolutely.
Come on. Aye. All right, we'll see y'all, man. Keep up the great work, and we appreciate everything, and we're so excited. Y'all have a good day.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Dad, that was crazy. I cannot believe he's got all that stuff together.
Oh man, I'm telling you, we're getting close, we're getting close. And you know, that's what experimentation's all about, trial and error. You know, you run into a few things, you got to figure it out, you know, with his components and stuff, but he really seems like he's onto it. And I really feel like we're going to be getting this thing wet here real soon, and revolutionary. It's cool.
It's amazing.
Stay tuned, guys. We'll keep you updated, and make sure you tune into our next What's Up Emerald Coast Sea Grove, coming soon.